I just need your company, yeah. I would wake up one day next to the woman of my dreams. Only me and her can understand what all of this really means, and how it feels to be in unity in motion with someone who really sees a future in thee. Reaching a destination of vows, promises and rings and rings and rings that she reads between the lines and she sees what's in the eyes, and hopefully she can understand what's in her heart. She would wake up every day and play her part in my life and be the wife of my youth. Hoping she forgets the lies and sees the truth and sing that true in sync with me. Specifically, we can enjoy this life together, but unintentionally the life forever and ever. However, I've never thought I would ever meet someone who's clever and fragile. However, I've never thought I would ever meet someone who's clever and fragile. Whoever. To these problems will let it temper, even though sometimes you raise my temper. But it is better because you're the only member that my heart remembers. We no matemba, my 365 days in the calendar. I'll temba la matemba. When I slender, besides my swat to end on TV during a blend. I am mixed up emotions, all I've tasted tender, sweet and soft. Who would have thought that I one day would be caught and my heart would be bought by the queen of delicacies? I have couple of reasons, I have multiple reasons why I get him a chemical essence, my princess. I just need your company, yeah. I just need your company, yeah. I just need your company, yeah. What you know about it? It was a beautiful day on the 5th of May. My actions spoke the words that I had to say. I hope you noticed, even if you looked away, your beauty got me acting in a crazy way. Between my heart and soul, there's a big debate. I used to gaze at your face every day at break. Asked you out for prom, you didn't bite the bait. Number, I didn't have a date. Cause each and every night I used to pray. It was my hope and dream that you graduate. Through you I see that God is great. I'd love to know you better, let's communicate. Cause I'd love to be more than a schoolmate. Trend in your heart, girl, you doper than my mixtape. Jordan 23, dedication on your birthday. Up all night, vibing to the OJs like insurance. Couldn't have it my way. Played low key while chasing the dream. Be my AK and by Tomeling it'll shoot. No makeup, girl, you a real beaut. I don't wanna lie, cause I'm all about the truth. Damn, drive me crazy, you don't need a license. This life is all about patience. Draw my attention, kinda like a pencil. Said you needed time when I needed you. Said you need me close when I needed space. Settle for the lies when I told the truth. I know I broke your heart like niggas break a promise. I know the future bright, but it ain't promised. Tell me what's love without the connection. I had flaws, I had pure intentions. Puzzle incomplete, now you're the one I'm missing. I just need your company, yeah. I just need your company, yeah. So I can mind my business. I just need your company, yeah. I just need your company, yeah. I just need your company, yeah. uhlale nami.
Mina ilanga lanamhla ngiyalati ke unalo date la kule calendar yeBoom City Sound 18 namhla. Ngijabulisa ukuthi ulalela iBizarre FM ku 104.1 sho ukuthi uyicompany yethu uyavisisa ukuthi mase silamsakadweni siyakudzinga ube nathi uba icompany lami libitwa ngePrince Valley sina Nkonzo lomunye lesinaye Gang Elbenz mhlawumbe umathi ngadeja vu wena njengoba sowumvile lapho ngicoce nani la ngicela sikhulume nganaye ingoma ya noMathemba lo ngijabulisa khona lokutawuvela lekangeke akuthembe umlaleli la ngokuthi introducer deja vu ngibani
Deja Vu Nkonzo Shabangu. I call myself Deja Vu, stage name sami leso. Ngikhulele elokushini Barberton.
mina kethu tithule wona ngibani
Ngithemba inkosi Emmanuel wakalikhuleni wase Barberton 1300 born and bred ngidibitanga Elbenz.
ngishilo ukuthi lenza betawuvela la ucela ukuthi wena ucele akuthembe so yini lekwenda ukuthi uthembe inkosi ukuthi ufuna kuba naye ku this track
Ukuthi isikhathini lesiningi bengisinangihlangana nalo lelijana nalo njengoba likulo mhaha ukuthi senza lo music so bengisinangihlangana naye ngive kujula nemcondo waletingoma ukuthi no lo lo right ukuthi singakhona ukuthi sithembane sikhulume lena ndzaba ukuthi bantu bakhona ukusithemba kwanani
igospel bathi indzaba vele live so ngcineni bona ukuthi no lenzaba ngathi incane le master yenda kwengoma leyi1 yini lenene ukuthi no asale siyokhipha le EP banibutile ukuthi kani EP ngoba kumbe EP le track what's going on
Lengakhuluma ngikusho ukuthi as a creative or as an artist you ought to have a catalog so sibukele ndo ukuthi if batokubuta ukuthi ul artist but awunayo iCatalog sikuthola kuphi umusic wakho so streama kuphi ngiyo into le inspire ukuthi no let us just come together tingondo sihlanganise sende something that is solid that people labato khona kuyithola on the mainstream
ukukhuluma ngeCatalog Nkonzo ushito story sakhe ukuthi wayesebenzisana nawe beka catalog yakho ukuthi ngilabo abantu lebengifisa kusebenzisana nabo kusasa
honestly speaking indzaba yami naNkonzo iqhamuka way back so vele he's been one of the people I've been gunning for ku music industry ukuthi nangasebenza nomuntu lo so ngabe ngine achievements in music industry so Nkonzo ngimbone amuntu lo relevant kule project not because of igama lakhe kuphela but because of lo muntu lo anguye nepersona yakhe ngabona kukuhle ukuthi let us come together send something that is going to heal the streets
nabangile company mina tosuka mthola enkonzweni nakethu le poem le wake wabuye wasishayela yona la but kule ngoba vele uyithanzile wativa njenge blender wangathi ublende yona lamanyeni beka khona wawashaya ama poem yini lekwende ukuthi no nyalo asengisale ngirelease nyalo because ucala bo ungaka release uyakhumbula
yes kungukuthi ngisho sona naso lesi story singathi serious and sensitive yabona so ke kuma poetry slams kube ukuthi ngiperform lena poem nginemcondo ukuthi into enda impact is but ngiya understand ukuthi njengokusho kwakho kulenye indzaba oshito ukuthi ipoetry fana private society so therefore kubonakala ngazuthi ibhacile abantu abaningi abakhona ukuthi bayithola so therefore I decided ukuthi no athi ngilethe njengoba sikhuluma ngeghetto gospel ukuthi incwadi le yabantu baseghetto
ngijabula ukuthi usikucoca le story mawucoca lenzaba yale poem story untold second track lenayo sitshela ngale song before siyongena kuyesidlala
cishe story untold ingoma lengithanza kakhulu because ine meaning le strong pertaining kusho ukukhula kwami experience nje ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala ngaphandle nemajita neshaya music but mina umdzala oyadi ukuthi ngo6 kufuna ubusekhaya so therefore nje iniketa kubuka kwami ukukhula ngalase ngifike khona lesikhathi samanje ukuthi kube ijeni lehle ende ngiyambonga naye makwami ukuthi adlalele ngenzima le
ngendeka wangena 1 minute past 6 bambamba ngenduku sokuba la kule story ungathi angakutsheli nasi story untold Deja Vu uhambisana na Elbenz idlala ku Boom City Sound ku Bizarre FM the pumping beat of Vegas
Sando lunjani olungapheli mama Sando lunjani olungaqoli mama Thando lunjalo dingisikhathi utubekezele. This is love without the shelter, this is love without a mirror. Reflection in your actions, I'ma always see it clear. Sometimes I'm always mad, need to mama na is strict. Put me on a curfew, atumfuna ngabo 6 man. Right up at the time, I be chicking my chick, man. Right up at the time, I be chilling with my niggas, reminiscing about the clicks. It's the final little things that you did, mama. Yeah. Thando lunjani, olungakhohi. Olungapheli mama, thando lunjani, olungakholi, olungakholi. What you know about it? I found myself holding the paper and the pen, writing a love melody for a special lady. LVOE is a puzzle that I cannot complete. Help me to solve this difficult equation. They say love is blind, but I see it in your eyes. Alicia, can I be the keys to your heart? You'll be ringing on my mind like I memorized your number. Always by my side, I'm the pilot, you the passenger. The journey's still long, you better buckle up. Protect my heart cause it's fragile like a paper cup. Even when you're not home, I know I'm not alone. My baby kissed me through the phone. She kissed me through the phone. Olungapheli, olungapheli mama.
Yo, this is Pills Titan, and you're listening to Bomb City Sounds on BCR FM.
That was nice. Retro grooves in this. Retro grooves in this nigga. Yaga yo yo. Yeah. Retro grooves, man.
Ghetto gospel.
This is ghetto gospel.
Big F. William Benz.
Talking about.
Yeah.
Let's go. Pushing the passion, resisting the competition. Danger to myself, cause I got no limits. I'm a G and I got my unit. It's never too late for those who going through it. Seen a lot of smartest moving foolish. I seen a lot of foolish niggas acting foolish. Why you acting foolish? Business is business. I'm trying to find pleasure in the business. I'm at the crib, vibing to Moby Dixon. Sometimes all you gotta do is listen. Many offended us and still play the victim. We lost the truth in the corrupt system.
Man, I've been driving for days. Still I be brave on days when the sun is shining, but they throwing me shade. Embrace the change and raise my fist with pride like Samora Machete. I'm the king of my castle with the pen and the pencil. Cause I ran out of data, yeah my version is bait. I made a verse, made it worse. Cause I'm speaking titanium and you spitting vibranium is now real. Always make you booming when we pull up in the speakers. Told my future son, I think I need a feature. Haters hit the cam, but we made it to the picture. Imagine how it be when you're trying to deceive us.
Yeah, some things will never change. Always on the grind cause we want that change. I don't want lie straight face and you know that. They be like how you bought that. The street kid, it's the sticky situation. I'm a trapper with class, stuck in detention. Thank God that I'm blessed. Yeah, my day goes. He will do the rest. It's quite slow. It's the sticky situation. Yeah, sticky situation. It's the sticky situation. Cause the money don't sleep, y'all.
Hi, this is Christus Black and you're listening to Bomb City Sounds on BCR FM with Prince Vilagazi.
What a service really hot, what a service really hot. Thank God I got this stuff and he came with a couple jabs. And I drank the uppercut and I drank the uppercut. As I see it glow, shining on the soul from years long ago. The name is Deja Vu, the kid, a better view. And this is what I do it for the hope. And I hope I never choke. It's all I'm trying to show. Has a couple shows, find a better soul. And secret soul for the years I'm getting low. For the story will be foretold. The story's still the same. Ukalugnazi. Aslali na makata, baksali banga wati, nakzala bebe ngati, bachele banga kwatisa.
Banga kwatisa, yeah, banga kwatisa. And let's go, it's all on you, it's all on you. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you but you, it's all on you. Yeah, say, tibegela, 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 cause it's all on you. Yeah, tibegela, 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 ewe, tibegela, cause it's all on you.
Yeah.
I told them I was coming and they didn't believe it. Said I wasn't good enough, now they starting to feel it. Flow deeper than the river, niggas trying to catch it. I got love for the streets, still pushing the passion. Now it's time to arrive, front page is a blessing. Kill the beat real hard, cause my flow's the illest. I don't even understand why it's hated, cause it's dripping real bars and it's spitting the fiction. All started with the raps at the back of the class. Now it's all about the money, but I do this for love. Smile hard and all the pain like a stitch in the cut. Going out to the hood, I got none but love. Little homie on the street trying to hustle a play. I believe in my dream like I believe in this tape. I got no love for this, so they showing me hate. Slogomatic, I'm convenient like a victim of rape. In this love of ones and twos, I'm killing the mix. Papa left us, I became a man at 6. I spend my time in the studio, cooking up hits. I make dreams come true when I step on stage. Calling out my name, OGs on the street, going harder than the pavement. You come through and make a statement, show me love. All on you, it's all on you, all on you. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you but you, cause it's all on you. Yeah, that's right.
Ngithi sitibeke kuphi maja?
Tibegela.
Sitibeke kuphi?
Tibegela.
Ke ubeke indlebe ku BCR FM 104.1 the pumping beat of egazi Bomb City Sound kuna Prince Valley kuna L Benz una Deja Vu. Nakethu ngicale ngawe L Benz la ngoba le emlando wasekhaya uthi waqala kuba indoda una 6. Sengiyathi ke buka noma bengasathi isithandwa sakho nglife ushilo ukuthi hey sihle ngalenye indlela la.
Esa.
Icalaphi lento ye music ngikhumbula kahle mangikubona mina ngakubona ku competition yakho.
Ya ngikhumbula kahle bhuti wami a while back noma ngasakhumbuli kahle umnyaka but I remember ukuthi ngeke ngaba ku competition ngibukela. Yeah.
Ngakubukela nginterviewa ngiyaphinza nanyalo uyibona ngiyabona ukuthi sotibekela nyalo kulo music industry la uqale khona
sesibekela angithi sina Deja Vu yatiphinza
la folthando lemculo livelaphi ngoba kubongekho ku competition yani compete la no YouTube ngani libeke khona la
Kuba bengisalicocela ejanje before ngaphambi ukuthi singene ukuthi 2011 ngilast qale khona lento lena ngicala nalenye group lesacala nayo music isasafunza skole but lento bengiva ukuthi khona yona ngekhathi net ngoba bengakahanese kahle and nami bengisathi ngipractice so ke ithena ikhula ngekhamba kweminyaka ngikujoyina nehlangana nabo L Benz sayithatha sayibeka eTulu ingakho namhla siyibeke la
angabi nemona ke la niseno asebenzisana soyithu kuphela ngoba yasegetho nabese naphasa le bond la lanza na BOD nimthatha
BOD is one of my cats, one of my dogs. Kusho ukuthi lengoma it was unplanned ukuthi beso. It was a cipher. It was supposed to be a cipher because masenda le EP or le mixtape, let me rather say. Gwabane beat le free, which is Pass the Bone. It was known as a story untold before Saichincha by Pass the Bone. So what happened is BOD was in the studio and I was about to lace my verse. Mangifika ngidoshaya sekusele space lapha yena enkonzo nayo sasemaphandweni uyabuya utoshaya. Sengithi mina instead of ukuthi simele enkonzo afike mfundisi ulindwa ngengoma. So asithi ngifake BOD la of which the rest is history. Lo lokuvana namuhla siphasile elibhono washaya lithambo lafika.
Wafika wabhoda lento yendeka njengoba so ni vetene bantu mhlambe labashiya la mina nguveza ukubala nema legend Benz lo unye lokuza kusho uyasho ukuthi emajaji aqinile lokweni pavement kumbe paving azikuvalana abantu lenibukele kubo lama fallen soldiers leleni khuluma ngabo
story sema fallen soldiers my brother kube ingoma le deeply personal kangangokuthi kunebantu lebasilahlekele empilweni ba transitiona baya ku spiritual realm and njengoba ku spiritual realm asenabe enyameni so hence kwaba ne idea yokuthi how about we tribute them sibendele ingoma yabo lesto bakhomba ngayo ukuthi solo sinabo kamoya so hence fallen soldiers lengoma ikhuluma mainly about that
ngiko nilamoyeni nani la kuBCR FM solo sinabo la akamoya angathi khona lo ngafuna kungeta ngeFallen Soldiers
uqinisile nje kakhulu kade ukuthi nathi njengoba sibakhumbula laba bantu nathi siyakhumbula igrief yethu kanjalo sikhumbule nokuthi futhi nathi kusasa singavuka singekho. So kubalekile ukuthi sibe ngilabo laba shape noma bashi impact lehle kubantu ngayo leyo nalengoma leyo Fallen Soldiers.
Usalalela Bomb City Sound ku Bizarre FM 104.1 The Pumping Beat of Egas solo space ngealbum yethu noma ngeGhetto Gospel. Ngishilo ngathi siyakholwa la ngisivulene enkonzo ukhona enkonzo la sinamfundisi L Benz. Ngiyabona nje mina ngitreasure mase kufika isikhathi sami ngidothatha kweshumi.
Lot of men in this whole world. They've been told that a man never cries now. Now they put their pain in their own minds. Now the heart's really cold now. I feel the pain when I see them brothers go down. Overdosing on some drugs, I tell them slow down. They never catch a trip, I see them in the corner. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona.
Came home with a bag full of money, kissed my forehead and hugged me. Told me not to worry, I knew that he loves me. Felt it when he hugged me. 21st, damn, we throwing a party. Mama's in the kitchen, fixing us a curry. The man at the house back, it's like he never left. Homie got a phone call, accusing him of theft. Mama said he gotta take the money back like a spinal cord. He tryna have our backs, body specs against the wall. Heroes don't rise and fall, that's a post it's on Google. He's in a world of trouble with the law now. Nobody believes his intentions were pure now.
Lot of men in his old world. They've been told that a man never cries now. Now they put their pain in their own minds. Now the heart's really cold now. I feel the pain when I see them brothers go down. Overdosing on some drugs, I tell them slow down. They never catch a trip, I see them in a corner. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. Exactly. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. Exactly. I'm with the hand that got they think I'm Maradona. Exactly. Think I'm Maradona.
Knocks on my doorstep, nobody taking a step, only a deep breath. Number one suspect, mama in panic mode, eyes got them glasses. She wanna cry, but she gotta stay strong. The kick down the door, screams in the passage. I'ma try to figure out what happened. The loot was stolen, many hearts broken, many chosen, but few are awoken. God is a bandage to the bond broken. Oh my God.
Ay, kinanini le kumula mtapa mexando sila menda.
Ha.
Gyoze gube. Gyoze gube. Gyoze gube nini na uskala. Spuni mali, spunu kutula. Sifuna uthando luningi olungapheli. Gyoze kube, gyoze kube, gyoze kube nina. Kulungile baba nakwintando ya, kulungile ntando makwibaba ya, kulungile baba nakwintando ya. In times of solitude I changed, see I changed for the better. That I'm coming back home, I was lost in the weather. It doesn't matter anymore, cause I'm full of Gusngena. So I took it down south and I met with the north. Spark a young fire yana, cause we ready for war. I had it all figured out, so I took up my sword. Said we ready for war. Had the hammer on door, with the glamour on four. Because Mzansi for sure, just kicking the doors. As soon as I came up I rose. This at the end of the road, I need an antidote. Let me enter the door, I'm packing all of my clothes and leaving all of my bros. Don't wanna catch in the cold, they couldn't tell me my goals. I'm flying white like a ghost, them demons enter my smoke. Cause me and Jesus are cool. He watching over the views, he saw them enter the booth and paying all of the dues. I hate them dues and I don't. I feel Sylvester Stallone, I live alone, I never be on the yawn. That's why I stash on the corner, be a road marathon. I take it to California, ngatina minyambon. Ganti nani nyambona, bana yasu ya boru, ketu pizu ya boda, bana utu ya corner, mara wenu ya chola mas. Corner, we are connected, come Europe, but we come Europe. Kulungile baba nakwintando ya, kulungile ntando makwibaba ya, kulungile baba nakwintando ya, kulungile ntando makwibaba ya. Yeah.
David didn't know, Joseph didn't know. I also didn't know this was the rise of a king. Struggle qualified me to rock a crown. Chains broke, slave times made me, and now we woke. Hard times taught in the rejection. I got self-love, I got improvement and self-confidence, and now I know myself. I'm illuminated. We're street smart now, damn we educated. We a different flavor, we don't do no favors. Victor Lewa, don't you cry, man. Dando and Lungile, those my big sisters. Part of the reason I'm chasing 6 figures. Part of the reason I know respect today. To sum it up, if there's a will, there's a way. We going through it, we gon' find a way.
Kulungile baba na kwintando ya. Kulungile ntando makwibaba ya. Kulungile baba na kwintando ya. Kulungile ntando makwibaba ya.
Kuze kushaya insimbi yakhe 10 kuBomb City Sound BCR FM the impilo fekasi kuze kube nankonzo ngina Elben soko sengoma sithi kuze kube kulungile baba makwintando yakho kulungile ntando makuyibaba yakho ngishilo kusaniveli lamzansi ngishilo kusaniveli lamzansi benikhuluma of ukuthi mani performa kube seniqalile ngema performance because yes ngifuna kubatshela solo nikhuthathwa ngizani siyayiva kusemnanzi le project nile beningabada so khona lebe banibite khona kumbe benitest
Lapha besiperforma khona, it was a show lesi organizer under a concept yezazise shothi bes-introduce al-artist leading Deja Vu.
Yeah.
So sabona kukuhle ukuthi since we've got the tape out, asesisebenzise le track list lesinayo. Hence perform some of the songs khona embombela. It's called Kando's Lifestyle and Chill. Yeah. So ngola ngathi sa perform khona kuleti ngoma leti, but when it comes to performances sima single individuals, but came together for a greater cause. So nami ngiphusha kwami naye phushe kwakhe then siyahlangana nasihlangana.
Yeah, uqedile usinibe icompany la. So ungasayichinji phela ngoba ushilo ukuthi ngithembe la. Nakethi kube njani mina ngikwati mawuperforma ipoetry. Kuthi bakurespond njani then la sikhathi performa the project le kube njani?
Kube different ke because poetry setup yakhona is more of a serious, you know?
Yeah.
So therefore you must be clinical and then be straight with the words.
Yeah.
Not more of my gesture and posture signs, you know? So but go performance in music, you need to actually go vibe na lengoma ujayive na ukuthi uyajayiva utibekele na ukuthi utibekele ube ne company kanjalo. So therefore kube different and ne response ebantu bona ngokwabo beyihle kakhulu, something I did not expect.
Elbenz ngikavakashela ngiprana izikhwani la sakhuluma ngeCurtain Rhythm.
Yeah.
Bebasolo bawakhatha lama artists until baze bafika la kuwe la kuvela ke khona so producer edition.
Yeah.
Beyinjani kube njani kuvela kuCurtain Rhythm ene ngawubuta nje abemaningi ama question because ngifuna lokuthola ukuthi bekunjani ufile njani nawo kuvela as a producer la Baptini kuthi uyovela lapha because shows you one of the best producers who ba recognize wena.
Lengdo ukhuluma ngisho, it was a phenomenal experience.
Yeah.
Because I got to learn new things, I got to collaborate nalabanye bantu because but no man is an island, yabo.
Yeah.
So uma usebenta nalabanye bantu you get to grasp into nabo bathathe kuwe njengoba wathi uthi isihlahla asidli nje, yabo. So nami ngidliwa ngilabanye nami ngidle kulabanye.
Yeah.
So yonke le experience mangisama up ngisho ukuthi ingikhulisile, ngiyabonga ne recognition kusho kona ukuthi mangitivalele kamerweni lami ngisuke ngingadlali.
Yeah.
Ngisuke ngenta yona lento lefunwa abantu, which is why ngicine ngirichile out to Curtain Rhythm. Shout out to Pra, shout out to Izikwan and everybody who made it possible.
Nkonzo bonga divalele wena kamerweni la bokuna boma veranda live session. Yabona lokuje ngikuphi bekubhizi kakhulu ngikhumbulane ehlobo mayikhumbula. Yeah, lapho bokuse garage then Mkhize Park bekuyi training bocabanga ukuthi utofika la kule stage lesi.
Generally lesikhathi useselapho kuba yini lo icabanga ukuthi one thing ngibona ngilapho but ukuthi lento egcineni kufuna vele execute ugcina uyena kuba yini ukuthi angidobona sifika lapho. So generally ukuthi nakwenteka nje from le practice leyo ugcina sengikhanzakala ngise studio sengikhona ukuthi ngirecord i-EP kungento engabona kubaleka baleti khathi leto nalo freestyle khona lapha kuleti ndzawo leta nalama session nawo ngoba ngiyo la khona kwenda ukuthi kube possible ukuthi ngifike la.
Madoda ngive nikhala kakhulu la, so ngiyacela ndawubona ukuthi indawo enda njani nendawo uncingisana, so ngiyaniva nje nikhala kakhulu, ngicela kunika indlovukazi ndawubona ukuthi indawo ihlonipha njani, mangabe itawuba nesithembu itawuba nesithembu kini la, ngiyacela kunika ukuthi nani niphume na something la ku Bomb City Sound.
Batawubheka awu bathumuhle indlovukazi manje, indlovukazi manje. Nango, yeah, she found it with no reason. Now she the reason why I got a reason. Got her on my mind like a happy thought, cause she take me to dimensions I ain't never been in. Can't say I love you, but I love this feeling. Take me higher than the sky, but don't leave me blue. I don't wanna be alone if I can be with you. Cause in this maze called life, I got you as a clue. They say age is just a number, can I have yours? Girl, your body banging, take me for a tour around the hood. No, I'm forever yours, and I'll never play you like piano chords. All over my body like that lotion. Up all night, I'm loving the motion. Wouldn't be a man if I didn't feel. Scars wouldn't be scars if they didn't heal. I love the bounce to your step when you're wearing heels, but now I gotta take them off, baby, turn me on. In my arms till the break of dawn. Will you miss me when I'm gone? Right? Wow, I'm back. Wow, umuhle. Wow,
Nyakuthanda phela wena indlovukazi.
Wow, I'm back.
Awumbheke manje.
Wow, umuhle.
Umuhle manje. Nyakuthanda manje. Phela wena indlovukazi.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
But love is not blind in time, I stretch my mind. Talking to the moon, then Cupid took the shot. Yeah, looking all stupid, I'm blushing over my cheeks, man. That is rather kind, it's all I'm trying to find. Kitchen Mrs. Cat, samba gangan. Hey, love is not a crime, but something I can't define, man. Like about to get and give to you, my queen. Meet you at the scene before Bang Shangstein. Cause love is patient and nation from lifting schools. Soul turn reckless above and I'm below. And you shall wait until he come back home. Love is understanding and sticking to one soul. And that's a soulmate. And that's a soulmate. And that's a soulmate. Pela wena indlovukazi. And that's a soulmate. And that's a soulmate. And that's a soulmate. Pela wena ungowami. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Emhlanje.
Ngicela sibavise kancane nethi sitashaya lo wa.
Yeah.
Awungeke. Wa.
Umuhle.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. I'm back. Wow, yeah. Umuhle, but wow, yeah. Ngiyamthanda. Yeah. Phela wena indlovukazi. Wow. Awumpeke.
Awumpeke
Wow.
man.
Umuhle.
Umuhle man.
Ngiyakuthanda.
man.
Phela wena indlovukazi.
Ngishilo ngathi ndawo share. Esheran futhi. Ngishilo ngathi ndawo share, okay ninakekele na indlovukazi nayi la. Maja asikakhulumi ngokuthi ni inspire ubani sekhona leniba inspired nyalo nini ngalomsebenzi wenu lomuhle la ghetto nabanika le gospel yenu, so angive kuwe Benz ngibani lokhule ubukele kuwe mhlambe kulama artists.
Funny story is I grew up under a jazz influence.
Yeah.
Bengilalela kakhulu bo Andreas Volveira, Hugh Masekela, Oliver Mtukudzi, but uma sikhula nabonkonzo sigcine sesingena kubo Mobb Deep, singena kubo Tupac, all these rappers bo BIG yibo laba inspire sound le kuze ukuthi kube ghetto gospel.
Uveta indzaba yemculo ukuthi ukhule ulalele jazz ekhaya ngathi khona le band yamcula ngimangase ngibabe bekade kwe group yeah nasekhaya yeah shothi uthatha nasekhaya
Imunyiwe
yeah imunyiwe lento asingene esontweni deja vu.
Okay,
kumbe uthatha enkonzweni wena vele.
Yeah. Kimi ke kube ukuthi njengokusho kwakho ukuthi ngithathe enkonzweni kube ukuthi most of the sound lebe ngiyiva or lebe ngipractice too much bekuyi sound yasesonweni. So but then later in life then nami ngafuna ku-explore ngivele ukuthi hayi man lento nangento sokwenzakalani.
Yeah.
So ngesikhathini sanamuhla nje fana nje ama-artist lafana boSjava acishe ena yona le sound leyo ukuthi address ama-issue asebenzisa lelimi langakithi. So ke ku Ghetto Gospel kahle kahle ngiloko bezama incorporate ukuthi bantu beve ukuthi ngelimi lakithi sithini siphinde sifake nalela abanye ukuthi nabo bakhona ukuva. So ke ingakho sihlanganisile lento yaba i1 iGhetto Gospel.
No, iyazama le phone yami la kumbe le TV le nginayo mara nimatonsha music video ndovela la kuyo explore la ukhuluma khona so kufuna nikulungise lokho. Banilalele banibheka basho ukuthi no muhle lo msebenzi walamasha so abafuni kuniyekela banganthola ku social media.
Okay, ku TikTok sinel page lelithi dejavu_988 and then ku Facebook kunel page nakhona lelithi dejavu na elpenzi ngicabanga naye angasho yakhe ama handles ngoba ahlukene ama page.
Ku Facebook ngine personal page lengisebenza for i-content creation Thembinkosi Lekhuleni into brackets Elpens, and then ina ku Instagram nakhona it's the same Thembinkosi Lekhuleni into brackets Elpens. La ngitholakala khona.
Silinzelane kuwe khona lesingahle sikulindele kumbusa phusha le project le.
Kwamanje safuna ukuthi kuphume ama visuals sikhona ukuthi sipushe lokuningi so therefore safocus la manje.
Ngibatshelile ukuthi ngumsakazi lovela ngeliphimbo emsakazweni mangivela kuma visuals angivele individual so ukhulumile yeah khona lesekulenzelayo.
Ngasho ukuthi siduke le page leli one mfowethu because one thing we shy away from ukuthi sithathe igolide bese sesisebenzisa ngendlela lengasi right so lokhu kusane potential asekuqale kuvele le potential yaloku then lokunye sidobuka phambili afterwards.
iBhayibheli le iGhetto Gospel so makade ufuna kunithola la kulama chapter eni bayilandzela ku bayithola up na project nayo.
Okay, cishe yatholakala ku all streaming platforms. Bayithola ku Apple Music, Spotify, Deezer, YouTube ikhona.
Sikhulumile ukuthi uya producer ngiyathi ukuthi ma beat uyaphana nje la so wena usikude pumping beat of egas so khona lo ba producer ko lesingahle sibalenzele.
Kunemfana labathi ngiEugene Thamingosi.
Yeah.
Dumengela King X.
Yeah.
Nalomunye bathi ngiIllusion. Psycho E.
Yeah.
Under Stable Same Music in a Box.
Yeah.
So ngibo currently laba busy ngeproject lengiproducer.
Yeah.
So soon enough itovakala itawuta futhi nala ekhaya khona sithengiseke kahle.
Yeah. Le ningafuna kuvala ngako lokugcina le ningafuna kusho ma shout out nisebenzisene na BOD la banyenti mhlambe le nisebenzisane nabo kubobani ningafuna kusho ama shout out ku.
Okay, kufaka khathi SB on the track, Q Retro la guy who produced lama beats. Ngibonge naye umfowethu lacela kwami ngibonge ngisho nemajita lebeka khona during the process ma artists lamanye lahlukahlukene laba kulo mkhakha so ngisho nalabo laba tune in exupporteni leona lena album nabo si shout out kimi.
Mina lengathanda ukuqala ngimbonge uNkulunkulu usakhona ehlanganisa onke lamathulusi ahlanganise bonke labantu laba right because esikhathini lesiningi besisakhuluma nemfowethu la ngaphandle ukuthi unokuba nemistake yokulalela ingqondo ugcine bese sowenda into leti wrong ngayo le ngqondo so sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi asichannel right asikhute asiyala asifake endleleni le right alignment. Phindze ngibonge i-production team yethu lokufaka ekhathi Q Retro one of our producers SB on the track executive producer naye ngihleli nayo la Nkonzo Phalo Shabangu. Thank you so much my brother, you played a major role. Ngendlule ngibonge ne management team le ku under Irene Sambo 1976 Investments iranong Mr Sambo. So siyabonga kakhulu support yakhe nokusikhuta siyala sinike direction ngiloko nje.
Bekasashumayela elpenzi ngishilo ukuthi mina mawuto checka le chapter le Irene Zambo verse 3697 ngicela kuthatha le thuba ngibonge nisilethele iproject lemnanzi la eBaptini nala msakatweni umculo omnanzi siyajabulela ngenkosini bitile la so wow besingese niyeke nathi yabona so sizamile ngayo yonke indlela we looking forward kuthi yini ningasilethela kona senisithembisene ama music video so sitawe sik announce siyabonga ukuthi nisivakashele la
handles, but only closed doors. Yeah, the Lord knows, so many souls gone. I gotta be strong and get my move on. I feel this move on. That's what we do though. Soon as you leave, we forget. And we starting to focus on what's next. Hey, the moments we share, we neglect. Yeah. Hey, man, yeah. A piece of land with dead people are buried the ground. It's taking many and plenty are gone already. More is about to come. The sun is about to shine. I'ma leave before I die, so I need to reconcile. But the fact that I'm grieving, but I'm pimp like Eddie Griffin. The flow is from the 80s and the fro, we drive me crazy. I'm slowly doing 180 from 80 to 88. Crazy, I know already what you gonna say. So save some saliva to save saliva to walk before you get your chest pumped with some noise. Yeah, the Lord knows, yeah, the Lord knows, yeah, the Lord knows, Lord knows, yeah, the Lord knows, yeah, he knows, yeah, he knows, knows, yeah, he knows. Yeah, reminiscing of past time, sipping on cheap wine, heard through the grapevine. Man, I'm in back home, it's been a long time. Lord went down, even some of our I've grown to understand, only God can heal us. But on the plus side, come to my address, we got a lot to address. In fact, I just wanna clear my chest. You my dog and I know you always got my back. I'ma go get our favorite. Then you tell me how much you love music. We used to do it and then the moment keeps moving. Got skills to pay the bills. Embracing love but we don't know how it really feels. Lord knows, yeah, the Lord knows, yeah, he knows, yeah, he knows, Lord knows, yeah, he knows, yeah, the Lord knows, yeah, he knows, Lord knows, yeah, he 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 knows, what you know about, what you know about, oh, hey yo, Gonzo, what you know about, shout out Prince, shout out BCR FM 104.1, Pimping Pictures, the gossip, that was a tight one, it was a tight shoe to wear, but really,
Lord knows
what's it, the Lord knows.